Hello everyone, this is Ton from BCEG and you are listening to another podcast about business English. Today's podcast will provide you with some vocabulary items related to the process of developing one's business. Okay, let's do it. Every business, or the ones who run it, needs to conduct thorough market research. In designing products and services, market research plays a vital role because it is the process of gathering, analyzing, and interpreting related information. The information is entirely about the market, about a product or service to be offered for sale in that market, about the past, about the present, and of course, about potential customers. Market research also involves investigation into the characteristics, spending habits, locations, and needs of the business's target market. Moreover, market research embraces scrutiny of the particular competitors the company may face. Market research may involve questionnaires or surveys with questions about what people buy and why, perhaps with interviews in the street or by telephone. Two typical approaches that marketeers usually use are employing consumer panels and focus groups where ordinary people selected by a certain business or an organization meet to discuss product ideas informally. Perhaps the researchers will make sales forecasts, which are estimates of how many products will be sold. Besides the market research, development of the products or the services and launching them are of paramount importance. In software, developers often produce a final test version, the beta version, where users are asked to point out bugs or problems, in other words, before the software is finalized. In automobile industry, car designers use CAD/CAM to help develop and make products and test different prototypes. You may wonder what CAD/CAM means. It stands for Computer Assisted Design and Computer Assisted Manufacturing. How about pharmaceutical industry? Researchers in laboratories may take years to develop new drugs, testing or trialing them in trials to show not only that they are effective, but also that they are safe. Drugs need to be made on an industrial scale before they can be sold. To test reaction of consumers, the product is usually made available in particular places. This process is called a rollout. And a product launch is the moment when the product is officially made available for sale. This is also called the big moment. If a design defect, or design fault is found in a product after it has been launched, the company may have to recall it, asking those who have bought it to return it, perhaps so that the defect can be corrected. Well, that's the end of the podcast. The content of this podcast is from Unit 14 of a book called Business Vocabulary in Use by Bill Mascull and was published by Cambridge University Press. I hope that you feel interested in listening to this podcast, whose business vocabulary items are quite difficult. However, I believe that you will be able to use them successfully when needed. Goodbye!